Hi guys, I hope everyone's doing good and everyone's had a great weekend and refreshed, ready to get back in the stock market thing. So in today's video, I want to chat to you guys about Healthier Choices Management Corp, so ticker symbols HCMC. So from my last video, Philip Morris and the HCMC, they both requested for more time for the case. So more recently, Philip Morris have responded. So what does this mean for the case, and also how is this going to affect HCMC share price? So in today's video, I'm going to address these things, and I'm also going to look at the price action for HCMC share price. But before I get into today's video, check this out. This video is brought to you by Weibo. If you'd like to get 2 free stocks valued at $1,850, check the link in my description box below. Welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, investment discussions, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. With that being said, let's get this bread. So Philip Morris have responded. So again, they're basically saying that HCMC, they don't have a case to fight. Philip Morris are claiming that the technology in the enquires system is different from the technology that HCMC have patented. So in a nutshell, they're saying that HCMC don't have a case to fight. So now there's two possible outcomes and decisions that the judge could potentially make. So outcome number one is the judge can say, you know what, there's enough evidence. Both parties should go to court and fight it out in court. And then whoever wins the case. So outcome number two is the judge can dismiss the case with two possibilities. So possibility number one is that the judge can dismiss the case with prejudice, and the second one is the judge can dismiss the case without prejudice. So what does this mean? So if the judge dismisses with prejudice, so basically this means that HCMC can't later on retry the case. So the case is closed, it's a done deal for HCMC, they have to move on. The second possibility is the judge can dismiss the case without prejudice. So this basically means that HCMC further down the line, they can retry the case. So a potential reason the judge can dismiss without prejudice is perhaps this time around HCMC don't have enough evidence to take to court or to fight a strong case. So this is like the judge telling HCMC, you know what, go away, figure your things out, get enough evidence, and then come back to me and then we'll talk. But of course we won't know this until the judge confirms the decision, so whichever outcome the judge wants to take. So if we have a look at the chart of Healthier Choices Management Corp, so ticker symbols HCMC, so as we can see, the share price has been forming a demand base around the 100 period moving average. So this is a very good demand that's been built up within the share price, and also this shows that the 100 period moving average right now is acting as a very good support, a very good dynamic support. And also with the bullish move on the session of the 16th of April, the fact that the bulls brought the price back above this resistance at 0.0013, and also this coinciding with the 100 period moving average, this shows that this price is acting as a very good support. And also it coincides with the bullish engulfing candle that was formed on the 3rd of March. So all of these on the technical note shows that this is a very good support region. So going forward, there's a resistance at 0.002. So I believe now that the share price has re-established 0.0013 as a good support level, that the share price is going to head up and test this resistance at 0.002. And also the resistance at the level of 0.002 coincides with the 50 period moving average, which right now is acting as a very good dynamic resistance, as since the share price fell below it on the 16th of March, the bears have effectively just been keeping the price below the 50 period moving average. So if the share price breaks above the level of 0.002 or the 50 period moving average, then I can see the price heading up and testing the resistance and the all-time high at 0.006. And I believe the share price breaking 0.002 resistance is very possible, seeing as there was a volume spike that broke the once resistance at 0.0013, and now it's effectively become a support. So the fact that there was a strong bullish run on the 16th of April, and this was after Philip Morris's response, means that a lot of investors are believing that the outcome will be good for HCMC. So there was a lot of demand for HCMC stock, which has raised the share price, and the bullish close was very strong on the 16th of April. However, how the share price for HCMC moves going forward is heavily reliant on the outcome the judge takes. So guys, this is where you decide what kind of investor you are, and especially with regards to HCMC stock. Are you going to hold HCMC stock for the short term, mid term, or long term? Seeing as this whole legal battle could take years, then I believe long-term investors will benefit more from HCMC. And guys, it's very important to also remember that HCMC being a penny stock is very volatile, just like penny stocks in nature, they're very volatile. So HCMC stock can have mad mood swings. So it can go up, it could go down very quickly, especially with what's been going on with the legal battle between HCMC and Philip Morris. That can add extra volatility. So right now the share price is extremely sensitive to any bit of information, whether rumor or facts. This is definitely something to bear in mind if you're involved with HCMC stock. So you need to prepare yourself emotionally with what's to come. So if you enjoy the content that I put out on HCMC, make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further HCMC content that I put out. And if you like to support the channel, you can sign up to my Patreon. The link is in the description box below. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.